Next, question number 12. Two poles of heights 6 meters and 11 meters stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, find the distance between their tops. Let's draw this figure. Two poles. Let AB is one pole, height of 6 meters. Next, another pole, height is 11 meters. Let CD is the another pole, height is 11 meters. This is the ground level. AB and CD are the poles. Here given distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters. Here given this distance BD is 12 meters. Okay, here we have to find the distance between their tops. AC. Okay, here we have to find AC value. Draw one perpendicular line on CD. Let this point is E. Okay, here AE is parallel to BD. So AE equal to 12 meters. AE also 12 meters. AB equal to 6 meters, which is equal to ED. AB equal to ED. 6 meters. This distance equal to 6 meters. We know CD equal to 11 meters. So, remaining distance CE. CE equal to 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6, which is equal to 5 meters. CE equal to 5 meters. We know CE value and AE value. Here we have to find AC. See, AEC is a one right angle triangle. Here applying Pythagoras theorem. From triangle AEC, angle E equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to EC square plus AE square. Here using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, EC equal to 5 meters, 5 square. AE is 12 meters, 12 square. 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. AC square equal to 25 plus 144. 169. AC equal to root over 169. Root 169 value is 13. Okay, AC equal to 13 meters. Therefore, distance between their tops equal to 13 meters. Next, question number 13. D and E are points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC, right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square equal to AE square plus DE square. Okay, first draw right angle triangle at C. This is the right angle triangle at C. Okay, naming this figure triangle ABC. ABC. Triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Right angle at C. Okay. Next, D and E are the points on the side CA and CB respectively. D, point D on the side CA. CA. This point is D, and E, point E on CB. Okay. Next, to prove, we need to prove AE square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square. AE square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay. See this diagram. Here we have right angle triangle. So triangle ACB is one right angle triangle. ACB and triangle BCDCB or BCD. BCD is one right angle triangle. Next, triangle ACE. ACE is one right angle triangle. Next, DCE. Triangle DCE is one right angle triangle. Here we have four right angle triangles. So applying Pythagoras theorem, from triangle ACB, angle ACB equal to 90 degrees. Here using Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus CB square equal to AB square. AB square equal to AC square plus CB square. Okay. Here using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Next, like this is equation 1. Next triangle BCD. From triangle BCD, angle BCD equal to 90 degrees. Apply Pythagoras theorem. BCD. BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. Next, from triangle ACE, angle ACE equal to 90 degrees. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AE square equal to AC square plus CE square. AC square plus CE square. Okay. Equation 3. Next, from triangle DCE. From triangle DCE. Applying Pythagoras theorem, DE square equal to DC square plus EC square. DE square equal to DC square plus CE square. This is equation 4. Here we need to prove AE square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square. AE BD. AE square plus BD square. Okay. Adding 2 and 3 equations. Add 2 plus 3. AE square plus BD square equal to AE square equal to AC square CE square BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. A square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay. See, DC plus CE. DC plus CE equal to DE square. Next, AC plus BC. AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. Here we get AE square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay. Both equations are same, hence proved.